time for Rock and Roller Coaster.
Fast Pass edition.
Fast Pass edition. Just need to find the Fast Pass.
And Harry's been really looking forward to this one. The Luke's getting the Fast Passes ready.
No, this just over here.
Harry, Lauren, over here.
Yeah.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
Got ya. Chipped over. On film.
Vous allez être parmi les premiers à découvrir. Please move all the way into the studio and remember to refrain from flash or video photography. Are you ready? Okay, prepare for launch.
What are the biggest now?
I feel a bit sick. Yeah, I feel a bit sick.
So we got the photo already, I'll just show you on here. So
Downloading them onto the app.
yeah, it's that quick.
Straight on there.
Straight on, so you just go up at the end of the ride, you can just use the app, the PhotoPass app, Disney PhotoPass, and scan the QR code, and it just says it's your picture and you add it on.
Simple.
So it's there, we can download it and post it. Check out Instagram. Yeah. Go on, Rich. Kick the back leg up. Kick the back leg up. Do the pose. Kick the back leg up.
Yeah.
So we've got the staging up. Face the Force, hashtag.
Yeah, here's good. I'm getting my
So we've got Anakin Skywalker's ship. Yep. I'm trusting Harry's judgment here.
What's that spaceship called?
It's Anakin Skywalker's ship.
Did he sit in it?
I think so.
They should do it as a photo spot, shouldn't they, where you can go near it.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
We can cut it there, actually.
Yeah, we'll cut over there.
The Jedi were pressed into the forefront of military activity.
Are you going to read
Serving as General Anakin, oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, he was right.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
The Battle of Coruscant and Wrench.
Specifically, it's ETA-2 Jedi Starfighter.
And now Rich is going to speak in French for our people who watch that French.
Yeah, no one's got time for that.
Régiment de la guerre de clones, les Jedi.
Alright, Luke, alright.
Did you know that these were later incorporated into the Empire's TIE fighters?
Ah, see. I'm not a true fan. Here we go, we're going to go see the X-Wing and TIE Fighter. The lights are on there now, they weren't on there before. I don't know if you can make them out on the camera.
The lights are on that other one down the end.
And the TIE Fighter.
What?
The TIE Fighter. So we're going to jump to light speed now. So we're taking a little break from the park now, and we're going to go into Rainforest Cafe for some lunch.
Look at his comment, he's coming by his head. Nice story, good story.
So we're sat with the gorilla. We've got an extra.
Oh, thanks. That's not very nice.
An extra. Not this gorilla. So we're at the Rainforest Cafe.
It's very much rainforest themed.
Very rainforest themed.
I look so happy in that.
There you go. Hot chocolate has arrived.
Hot chocolate. Get a biscuit and
Yeah, biscuit and everything, yeah. Look at that cream.
That is nice.
Tuck in. That's it. That's what I would do. Yeah. I think everyone would do that. Good man.
There's a storm coming.
The storm coming quick.
I got the quesadilla.
Yeah.
Quesadilla with a side of fries.
Me too.
Lauren got the same. Harry, what did you get?
I got a Rainforest burger.
Yep. And I got the Louisiana chicken burger.
Yeah, that's good.
So we're going to enjoy. So we've come to take a look at the world. Oh, it's Dory.
Oh, I scared her.
Swim away.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming. Who have you found, Harry? Dory's in there.
No, it's not Dory.
So just had a lovely lunch in Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah, big thumbs up from everyone.
Thumbs up from everyone.
Yeah, most of the people on the table had quesadillas.
We're lovely quesadillas. Definitely not a starter.
No.
It's sold as a starter, but I can have that as a main.
They're big enough.
Yeah, massive.
Finish it.
Would
I think you were trying to palm it off onto me.
Yeah, you and Harry kept getting requested to take it.
Yeah.
And then we're now going back into Disneyland Park.
Yeah, Lauren's eager to see the.
Lauren's going to see the castle.
The castle. Excited? Yeah. She's going to put our ears on.
And Harry's excited, aren't you, Harry?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to do that in slow motion, the head turn.
Yeah. Yes.
Right, then I've got my hands up.
We have one. We have two. Lauren's got her ears on. Where's your ears?
I need some ears.
You need some ears.
Is my earphone now?
No, you can't see anything.
Harry's embarrassed now, be with me.
Got to hand the card back to Luke. Is the ticket keeper. Ticket master.
والله صاد
Just waiting for Luke and Harry to come through.
We've got the Season of the Force map.
Yeah, we'll take some of those back.
Oh, it's really empty in here with
It's
the
really
Christmas
empty.
gone.
Where's all the Christmas stuff gone? Where's all the Christmas stuff, Harry? Where's all the Christmas stuff?
Harry's in the back of the police van.
We're in the police van.
You see the castle?
Here it comes.
That was fun.
It's a good way to travel up Main Street. The paddy.
Got a picture, Harry?
There she goes. And you, Harry.
No, I'm alright.
Luke will. Little skip, little skip. That is a gift, yeah. In the Christmas shop. In the Christmas shop. Oh yes.
Oh, it
Snap.
has got some.
Lauren's style and the hats on display.
Have you seen the fireplace in here? Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
That needs to be resolved.
Yes. Needs to be resolved. You got your Mickey? Luke is resolving the damage.
I made it better.
That's much better.
That's better. You can't have headless things.
No. Let it go.
That's a cute decoration.
Miko.
Miko. $15.99, but it's like really nicely done.
Is it like felt?
Yeah. And you've got like Ola, and you've got the ones from Brave. They are
These look new.
Hamish, Hubert, and Hamish. No, Harris, Hamish, Hubert.
Some more down here. Sven.
Oh, look, it's the original.
So the sword is still missing. The case of the missing sword exists, remains. Where's it gone?
Oh, that music.
Where's the sword gone?
Well, apparently it's been someone pulled it out.
Who?
They're gone. They found the person.
Isn't that supposed to have a knife in it?
The sword, yeah, it's been pulled out.
Oh, look.
Here we go. Hello. Right, everyone's gonna get lost now.
money.
Who's going to find the way?
Who's going to find the way?
Harry's off.
You get some pointers here.
No, it says this way. We must.
This way, up, down, left, right, that way. Come on, Pathfinder. We call Luke Pathfinder. Yeah, let's get Harry through the door. Try the door. You need to try the door. No. Luke, does that one open? Hello. Oh, you can get through that one. Harry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go on, you. Oh, charming. I've got to try and crawl through. Come here, little friend Harry. Getting on? Any luck?
We need to go around that way.
Harry's still going round and round. So I'm currently in Alice's labyrinth and I've lost everyone. No idea where anyone is. Harry's getting into a habit of jumping out at everyone at the moment. So I'm just wondering whether I can try and track them down. I keep looking behind me because I think he's going to jump out on me. I found you.
I just saw you in there. Did you hear me calling through the bush?
Yeah, you went, hello, I'm in the bush. Hello, I'm in the bush. Oh dear.
C'est cette petite effrontée d'Alice.
So we've lost Lauren now.
Lauren, this is.
How do you get on? Yeah?
Another way.
I was just saying Harry kept jumping out on me and trying to scare
There's
me.
Lauren in the bush.
And she pushed Lauren in the bush, yeah.
Hey, push me in the bush. Get that on
Hold it, Harry. Harry, hold it. Film, film.
Oh, my ears. Take a few.
Do you want to go in there, Harry?
Alright, you.
Do you want to go in there?
The way.
Is she going to come up again?
It's like this.
They can see everything in
On leur coupe la tête. Ça c'est qu'une tête. Ça se coupe. On leur coupe la tête. Garde. Arrêtez-les. Coupez-leur la
Here he is. Da, 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 da. There's another one.
Which way are we going?
Dead end.
There she is. Let's go in. Lovely view.
A view over Fantasyland.
So to get these awesome views, you need to come into Alice's Labyrinth.
And there's Harry.
And there's Harry up there.
We're going to go up higher. Great view of the Disneyland Railroad from here, isn't it? So we go up.
Let's go up.
That's closed, and also the Casey Junior Railway is closed.
Yeah, just behind.
And you can see the Princess Pavilion, the Small World line. It's windy though, so you might not hear it.
Space Mountain, Hyperspace Mountain.